great choice today with the 2016 F-350 Superduty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Superduty. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, voice-activated navigation system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.